We are dedicated to bringing the latest solution. Prophet Noah is bringing you this for free.
Have you been suffering from bad luck, ill luck, disappointment, failure at the edge of success? People promise you and they fail you. Or are spiritual works not being effective in your life? Yes, if you know you are experiencing any of these, this is the solution to getting rid of those negativity from your life. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are listening to my voice from. My name is Prophet Noah Emeke from the Solution Arena, and I'm here again with this wonderful tip that will help you better your life. Please, if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please do us well by subscribing to this channel. It will do us good and it will do you good a lot. And also to my returning subscribers, I love you guys. God will subscribe to your matters. God will do you well. Whatever you do, wherever you go, God will go with you and it will make things go easily for you. Now back to us. Listen to me. Do us good by also liking our videos. Yes, like our content. It gives us more. It gives us spirit to do more. Yes, it gives us spirit to do more. So please, if you know you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go down there and hit the subscribe button. Yes. Also remember that the prosperity kit is still up for sale. People are confirming it. They are testifying of the goodness of God in their life. So do not miss out. Inbox me, chat me up. Yes, chat me up on WhatsApp and what have you, and I will let you know the procedures. God bless you. Now back to the video. In this particular video, we are going to be learning how you can get rid of bad luck, this kind of negative stuff, I won't be wasting much of our time here. I want this video to be very, very brief. Yes, so please stick around. Do not forget to subscribe once again. Now, for this recipe, we'll be needing two different items. The first one that we'll be needing is the bay leaf. We need 21 pieces of bay leaves. Now, the second items that we will be needing is the sea salt. Just a pinch of the sea salt. You get it? Now, you put these items in a container. Let's say a bucket, small bucket. You pour let's say 2 to 3 cups of water into that bucket, and you add the bay leaf inside. The 21 pieces of bay leaves, you add them inside. You add the pinch of sea salt into the bucket of water. Now, what you'll be doing is this: for 3 nights, let's say as from 12 midnight, wake up, carry this bowl of water that contains the sea salt and the 21 pieces of bay leaf. Take it outside. Allow the dew from heaven to fall on it. I don't understand it. I don't know if you understand me. Allow dew to fall on it. When the time reaches 5 a.m., take that container into your house. Cover it. The next night you do it. The next night you do it. Do you understand me? Now, the third morning, when you bring it into your house, that is when you want to start to use it to be beaten. Just take a drop of it and put into your bathing water, and that is it. Yes, that is it. This thing works wonders. You can use it to also neutralize poison, spiritual poison that anybody might have taken. Just put it into your bathing water, or you take a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and drink. It will neutralize every poison. It will neutralize every bad luck, disappointment, failure at the edge of success. This will wipe it off. Yes, it will wipe it off. My friends, my brothers and sisters from wherever you're listening to me, this is your final solution. This is the end of today's video. God bless you. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Till we meet again. Bye for now.